here. I think I'm lost. I need the help of Lexi! And I need the help of Chrissy! Wood! I need wood! Ah! A bridge! So, Mel, are you hungry?
I'm very hungry.
Really? Are you hungry?
I'm really hungry.
Hey, Lexi, look at that squirrel. What?
Okay, I got it.
No! You're dead. She's filming. I know that, dumbass. I'm alive! Wait. We probably should draw this to the police. Cool.
Oh, dispose of her!